Hello everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new release. As you know from the title, that is why you're here. First things first is we do have the a la carte items still available for second chapter, which was the April mystery, which is a used bookstore theme, which y'all love. So those a la carte items will be available through April. Then there is also a color of the week this week. This is Fuchsia Pink, and this is the Doodle bundle. It is on special pricing for now through Sunday, a really pretty pinkish purple color. The next thing I am very excited about, because I teased this a while ago, but then I put it on the back burner, and that is dogs and cats, which I found some art that I really like that I was able to use commercially. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip through these, and there's a lot of them. There's dogs and cats. So the first one is D1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and then we're going to move into cats, which is C1. There's less cat options. C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 11. So those are the cat and dog options that are going to be now available. Again, that is D1 through 30, I think, and then C1 through C11. So there is a lot of different options, hopefully one that matches your pet. Then I will go ahead and move into the kits coming to shop this week. The first one is Desert Daydreams. I love this. It is so pretty. I love these colors. It's giving such summer vibes, almost like end of summer sunset kind of energy. Let's zoom you out a little bit. So let's go ahead and flip through this. I love the fashion options. I love all of the greens and the reds. It reminds me of Kirsten colors. The scorpion spooks me, but it's just in the deco. It's not in any of the full boxes, because I was like, that is the spookiest thing ever. Love that. And then I love the bottom washi with the swirl, and I love this extra box with the scene. And then you do have a fashion option here as well in the tall box as the freebie in the ultimate and the mini. All of the kits this week, of course, do come in ultimate and mini size. So that is the ultimate kit, the mini kit, and then let me show you the add-on options. There is the label sampler as well as the doodle and doodle 2. There is also the functional, which is new as of last week. Oh, there's also label 2. There is the fashion, which has different skin tone options for those boxes that are already in the kit. Ombre, pattern, and then all 6 of the scribblers there. Then the second kit this week is called Fruit Stand. I love this. I think it's so cute. I love all the strawberries. And this is a new to me artist. I think her name's Britt something. I'll tag her on Instagram when I post this. So very cute fruit stand. Love it. I think it's adorable. I love the colors. Y'all know me. I love a green and a pink together, but also paired with a yellow. Please and thank you. I am also always happy to have new artists to purchase from, because we need more art. We need more art in the world. Let me see. Ugh. Here we go. My hands are all busted up from yard work today. So stinking pretty. And then the freebie and the ultimate mini has more fashion boxes. Super cute. Love the strawberries and the little bananas. So adorable. So fun. So fresh, if I do say so myself. And then we have the doodle. There's doodle 2. There's functional. There is the label sampler along with label 2. And then there's ombre, pattern, and then all 6 of the scribblers, of course. So that is everything for the glossy stickers. Now we'll move into the matte stickers. So first things first is I did go ahead and make a May SPC reading challenge. It has a purple option and a black option. So there's Flower on the cover, under 200 pages, a rom-com, debut album, or debut Debut novel. I was thinking debut Taylor Swift. Purple cover and picked by a pal. Very cute. See, these, like I said last time, are not made for like a full page spread. They're more made to like decorate maybe like your reviews. That's my plan, is I use this to pick my TBR, which I picked my TBR in my vlog that I just posted on Monday. And then I'm going to just put these in the little review boxes that they match the prompt. And then if I finish all the books, I'm going to go ahead and use this as a little reward. The next thing is going to be some custom stickers. So this is going to be custom 2 lines. So you can do Lila's journal, you could do Andrea's planner, you could do whatever you want. I will note that if you do something really long, and it only can be 2 words, if you do something really long, the top text will be smaller based on like the size. So this is like the max width, and this is with a short name, this is like an average name, and then this is a really long name, so this did get smaller. So it'll come on a sticker sheet like this, and then it will be kiss cut out like that. So those will be customizable. Then I do have 2 deco sheets. The first one here is bookish bracelets. I do have large deco stickers of these, but I thought they'd be cute as small deco stickers. And then this one is Clowncore V1, and Kitten just needed this, so I went ahead and whipped it up and figured I would list it in the shop. The next thing I have are some book cover stickers. So we have Sinners, Roots of Chaos, World of the I don't remember what this is, but World of Nar, and then 6 of Crows. And then I have a couple of 6-page ones. So we do have Windy City, we have Rev Rising Saga, Wicked Years, Boys of Tommen, Off Campus, the Magnolia Parks universe, The Mind Blank, Maze Runner, Hunger Games, Game of Thrones, and Crowns of Naxia. And then also, last but not least, their lawn mowing. So if you can hear that, I apologize, so we'll finish it up. But this is Fantasy Fan 9. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to the Fantasy Fan listing. And then this is the large sticker. I did do one for Books and Blooms as well, but I thought this would be it. I made it mostly for myself, but I was like, let's list it. Honestly, I needed it for this month's reading journal. I think it'll be really pretty as a full page sticker. So that's everything for this week. I am losing my voice. I've been outside all day, and I think the allergies are going to come get me for sure. But that's everything. I hope you like all of this week's new releases. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye!